Divas. So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this look. Today I'll be doing a makeup transformation, so you guys will see from start to finish how I go from like whatever to being very glamorous. I am featuring the Friendcation palette in this tutorial again. I'm absolutely loving that palette. I hope you guys do not mind or get tired of it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I did my makeup transformation and got this look, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she no, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and need your money, need your money, them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way, baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel if I know you do, I'ma go talk baby, you rock no need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dago, party. I say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, original Batman. John Tricks on the beat.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you dey mash up the place, enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you.
Okay, divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this makeup transformation. I really do hope that you guys did. And as you guys can see, I finally got my hands on the over the top lip gloss as well as the Chasing the Sun highlighter, and I definitely wanted to come and share how it looks on the skin. And I definitely think that this one is more brown girl friendly. However, I really do still love Fuego, but I really think that this one is like, yes, like I'm loving this one for being dark skin friendly, but I still really like Fuego. I think that'll be like when I want something that's more champagne. But anyways, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell because I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.